guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Addie and you are in Addie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I make my blackened peppered shrimp. Alright, and not only that, we're going to be making a side of brown rice and quinoa. Alright, I'm going to show you how I meal prep. Yes, I am on a diet, I'm on a health kick, and if I'm on a health kick, that means that you are going to see me cook what I'm actually eating as I am shedding the pounds. Like, you know, it's starting to come around, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm starting to lose a little bit of weight or whatever, but I have to keep it up because this is not just a fad or just a get slim quick thing. I'm trying to live a healthier lifestyle. Now, I'm not saying I'm not going to cook the food that you guys absolutely love, but we're going to find ways to make it healthier, alright? So, officially a member of Fit Fam, but on cheat days, we're going to make something sweet, fatty, and so bad for you. But today's not one of those days. We're going to make something healthy. Let's cook. So to begin our tutorial, we're gonna start with a few ingredients. We're gonna start with some jumbo shrimp. That's about 2 pounds of shrimp, all right? Half tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of bouillon powder, I already put that in, 1 tablespoon of smoky paprika, 2 tablespoons of a Cajun rub, and then 2 tablespoons of Cameroonian pepper if you like it spicy. If you are not a spice lover, honestly, I would say completely skip that part or just put a dash, right? Next, I'm gonna get some avocado oil and just put a little bit, just drizzle it on, not too much, okay? And then I'm going to add in my garlic. So this is like one clove of garlic, about 6 garlic, give or take. And I'm gonna mix. This is the blackened shrimp seasoning, right? That's how I make mine. And I'm gonna just take this so you can see it. So I'm gonna set this aside for about 30 minutes and let the shrimp smoke up this amazing smoky flavor, all right? And while we are marinating our shrimp, I'm going to show you guys how I make my brown rice and quinoa. Now we're making our brown rice, right? And honestly, I'm clumsy. Honestly, I'm clumsy. But we need to wash our rice very well. So I'm gonna parboil it. And I'm just gonna boil some water because the brown rice is not gonna cook in water, okay? It's gonna cook in chicken broth, in low sodium chicken broth. So first, we need to make sure our rice is thoroughly washed, 1. And 2, we need to make sure that our quinoa is thoroughly washed as well because red quinoa has this bitter taste if it's not pre-washed. So in order to eliminate all of that nastiness, we're gonna boil some water, pre-wash. All right, so I don't need this to be like absolutely boiling hot. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide the water a little bit, put it in half, and set this aside, right? Okay. I'm gonna pour in my brown rice and just give it a good stir. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes tops. And then I'm going to replace the water with chicken broth. So while that is getting itself together, you see why I'm telling you to wash it? You see all that bubbling on top? You don't want that in your rice, guys. You absolutely don't want that in your rice. Anyways, so while that is getting its life together, I'm going to put 4 cups of chicken broth on here, and I'm using low sodium chicken broth. And we need 4 cups. Okay, this is 2. Perfect, there's exactly 4 cups in here, so I don't have to worry about any of that. So I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Alright, so my broth is now coming to a blend, and what I'm gonna do first is add my brown rice. Okay? So the thing about this recipe is that you have to cook it in steps, right? So first, I'm going to cook the brown rice for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash and add the quinoa, and I'm gonna wash it exactly how I washed the brown rice, with hot water, and add the quinoa and let it cook together. Okay? So our rice has been cooking for a little bit, and now we can season, right? So I'm going to put half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted garlic powder, and then about half a teaspoon of rosemary. Okay? And I'm just gonna drizzle some oil in it. Just a little drizzle. It's there. I'm gonna cover it for another 5 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add my pre-washed quinoa. Lower the heat to about medium heat and mix thoroughly. Mix very well. And cover and let it steam cook. So while the quinoa and brown rice blend is cooking, I'm gonna start on my shrimp. I'm using a pretty large frying pan, okay? Because we need to be able to fit a lot of things. So I'm gonna heat up this pan, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna do next. Alright, so oil, just a little bit. We're not frying this thing, we just want to get some oil on the flat. So, right now, this is too much oil. I'm going to pour some of it away. Okay. Put this back on here. And I'm just going to lay down my shrimp, right? And just pour it in. We have a big enough saucepan. Yay! Okay. Alright, so my shrimp is done. I don't want to overcook it because I'm going to now add my sweet peppers. And then saute. This is absolutely optional, but I am going to add some red jalapenos because I'm all about the spice, okay? So I'm gonna add some red jalapenos. It's not spicy, I don't even want it. That is how I'm gonna lose weight. See, the thing about meal prep and weight loss, especially when it comes to food, you have to find your happy medium, right? So in order for me to stop eating Nigerian food like as it's made traditionally, I have to add spice. I like the spice. So as long as it's spicy, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna finish it, alright? I'm gonna kill it. So I am accommodating this for me. Now, the optional steps are no red jalapeno and easy on the Cameroonian pepper. And that's all I'm doing with the peppers. I don't want it to overcook. So, alright, let's get back to our quinoa and brown rice. I don't want it to burn. I'm just gonna give it a good stir, make sure it's all there. So we are about done. I'm gonna turn off the light and let it continue to cook. There's no fire on it, it's not on fire anymore. The heat that's conducted from the Dutch oven is going to cook it until it cools down. And we're done. Let's plate. For my meal prep, I'm using a small size meal prep container. It is very tiny and it's a perfect serving for exactly what I'm trying to accomplish, which is to lose weight. So I would say in this serving, I have about maybe 200 calories, if that, in this serving. And I didn't really fill it up either, so like just about that much. And as you can see, we have our beautiful quinoa with some rosemary on top, and then we have our blackened sweet pepper shrimp. Thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me and watching my tutorial today. Make sure that you are following me on social media and turn on your notification so that you can get brand new videos from me weekly and we can get our healthy on together.